In the previous video, we understood the object snap, also called an O-snap in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how object snap helps us to select exact points like endpoints, midpoints, center points, and intersections. Now, in this video, we'll understand another very important accuracy tool, the Ortho Mode. Ortho Mode helps us to draw and move objects in a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical directions. For example, if you want to draw a straight horizontal line, Ortho can help. If you want to move an object straight up or straight down, left or right, Ortho can help either. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx, AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand Ortho Mode in a very simple way. Ortho Mode is a drawing aid that locks your cursor movement in the straight direction. Think of it like a ruler that only allows your hand to move straight. When Ortho is turned on, your cursor moves straight horizontal or vertical directions. So the simple way to remember is this. Ortho Mode is help us to draw and move straight. It works with commands like move, copy, stretch, and many more. In AutoCAD, accuracy is important. If you are drawing a wall, it should be perfectly straight. If you are moving a door, it should move in a correct direction. If you are stretching a room, the wall should stretch straight, not a random angle. Without Ortho, your cursor moves freely in any direction. That is useful sometimes. But when you need a perfectly horizontal or vertical direction, Ortho can make that work easier. So remember, use Ortho when you want a clean straight direction. Ortho Mode is found in the status bar at the bottom of the AutoCAD screen. Look at the bottom area where you saw the tools like Object Snap. There, you'll find the Ortho Mode. You can click on the Ortho icon and turn it on and off. You can also press F8 on your keyboard. So remember, F8 turns Ortho Mode on or off. This is one of the most useful shortcut key in the AutoCAD. Now, let's see how Ortho works with the line command. Start a line command. Type L and press enter. Click the first point. Now, move your cursor if Ortho is turned off. Your cursor can move freely in any direction or an angle. Now, turn Ortho Mode on by pressing F8. Move your cursor again. Now you will notice that line follows the straight horizontal or vertical directions. Click the second point. AutoCAD create a straight line. This is very useful when drawing a wall, boundary, rectangles, furniture, outlets, and technical shapes. Ortho become even more powerful when you use with exact distance. For example, start the line command. Click the first point. Turn Ortho on by pressing F8. Move your cursor to the right. Now, type 10 and press enter. AutoCAD creates a straight horizontal line with 10 units. Now, move your cursor to upwards. Type 5 and press enter. AutoCAD creates a straight vertical line of 5 units. This is how we draw accurately. Do not guess the length with your mouse. Use Ortho for direction. Use type distance for accuracy. Ortho is not only useful for drawing lines, it is also useful with editing commands. Let's say you want to move this rectangle straight to the right. Select the rectangle, type M and press enter. Pick a base point. Turn your Ortho on by pressing F8. Move your cursor to the right. Now, type distance like 5 units and press enter. Ortho can move the rectangle straight 5 units to the right. This is much better than moving by eye. So remember, Ortho help you to move objects into a straight direction. Ortho also can help us with the copy. For example, select the object, type CO and press enter. Pick a base point. Turn Ortho on by pressing F8. Move your cursor to the left, right, up or down. Type the distance and press enter. AutoCAD create a copy in a perfectly straight direction. This is very helpful when you're copying a door, window, furniture, symbol, columns, or prepared object in a straight line. So Ortho is helpful not only with the drawing, but also with the editing tools. We already learned the stretch command earlier. Ortho is very helpful with the stretch as well. For example, if you want to stretch a room only to the right, turn on your Ortho, start the stretch. Select the side you want to stretch using the crossing selection. Press enter. Pick a base point. Move your cursor to the right. Type your distance. Press enter. Because Ortho is on, the stretch stays the straight. This helps you to avoid angled or incorrect stretching. So let's quickly summarize the Ortho Mode. Ortho Mode helps us to draw and move objects into perfectly straight or horizontal directions. You can turn on or off from the status bar. You also can use F8 key to turn it on and off. Ortho works with the commands like line, move, copy, stretch, and many more. Object Snap can help you to select exact points. Ortho help you to control the straight direction. And remember, use Ortho when you want clean horizontal or vertical movement. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Press F8 to turn your Ortho on. Start the line command. Type L and press enter. Click the first point. Move your cursor to the right. Type 10 and press enter. Now move your cursor upwards. Type 5 and press enter. Now move left. Type 10 and press enter. Now move down. Type 5 again and press enter. You should create a clean rectangular shape using the Ortho mode and exact distances. Now draw a small rectangle and use the move command. Turn Ortho. Move the rectangle straight to the right by 5 units. Practice this with the line, move, copy, and stretch. This will help you to understand how Ortho controls the direction. So this was the Ortho mode in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that Ortho mode is used when you want a straight horizontal or vertical movement. It helps you to draw straight lines. It helps you to move an object straight. It helps you to copy objects straight. And it helps you to stretch objects straight. The shortcut is very simple. F8 turns Ortho on and off. In the next video, we understand the polar tracking. Polar tracking helps us to draw and move objects at a specific angles, like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So in the next lesson, we learn how to control angle direction more accurately in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.